Make a great choice today with the 2020 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, rear fog light, regenerative braking system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.